If you're trying to adjust the power limit on MSI Afterburner for your laptop GPU, but the option is grayed out, you're not alone. Many laptop users run into this issue, and today I'll explain why you can't change it and what alternatives you have. The first reason is laptop GPUs have locked power limits. Unlike desktop GPUs, which allow more flexibility in power tuning, most laptop GPUs have locked power limits set by the manufacturer. This is done to prevent overheating and excessive power draw, which could damage the laptop's components or reduce battery life. Second reason is BIOS and firmware restrictions. Manufacturers often lock power adjustments at the BIOS or vBIOS. Unlike desktops, where you can flash a new BIOS to unlock settings, most laptop vBIOS files are encrypted or simply don't allow modifications. The third reason is power delivery and cooling constraints. Laptop cooling solutions are not as robust as desktop ones. Since increasing power limits also increases heat output, manufacturers restrict power adjustments to prevent overheating and throttling. Even if you could raise the power limit, your laptop might not be able to handle the extra heat. Here are some possible workarounds. Try to use performance modes. Some gaming laptops have built-in software like Asus Armoury Crate, Lenovo Vantage, or Alienware Command Center, which might allow power tweaks. You can try undervolting. Instead of increasing power, you can reduce voltage using tools like throttle stop or Intel XTU to improve efficiency and performance without overheating. Cooling improvements using a cooling pad or repasting the thermal compound can help maintain performance under heavy loads. So, in conclusion, laptops are designed with strict power and thermal limits, which is why MSI Afterburner doesn't let you adjust the power limit. While you can't bypass these restrictions easily, tweaking other settings like undervolting or using manufacturer software can help optimize performance.